We hate to say the word no. We always like to say the word yes. And sometimes that goes well beyond what we can accomplish in the short term, and then it's just having a reality moment and saying, this is what we can do and this is what we cannot do. But that, at the same time, that also shapes a lot of our products. I mean, that is, we didn't wake up one day and say, oh, mobile device as a service, that makes a ton of sense. Let's change the whole business model and deliver it as a service. It was more, where's the business need and what benefit is it going to provide to customers like you?
We had a few hundred devices, I think, when we started with MetTel. We were doing managing ETT, Verizon, whatever those things were, and you guys came in and consolidated. Now we have less touch with it, and we were over 7,000 devices now, and we have less touch than when we had the few hundred.